How to retrieve passwords, forgotten passwords from Google. Go to your phone settings, open settings, then scroll to get general management, where you get language, date and time, etc. Then click to open, then scroll to get autofill service. This is my autofill service. Then click to open it. Now, autofill service, it is a Google service, so you must be enrolled, or you must be on it to receive the service. So on my case, I'm on it, so all my passwords are saved on it. So how do you retrieve passwords? You may forget your password when trying to log in a certain area and you want to retrieve them. So you go to autofill service, then click smoke a spanner, then click on passwords. You get all your saved passwords. If you are forgotten, for example, on my case here, let me assume and forgotten my Facebook account, which you can see I have 2 accounts. I'll click on it. Then this is my password, unlock password for my phone. Then I click to continue. Now it will depend with your accounts. Then when you want to copy your password, you click here. Your password has been copied. Then you go back to your place where you have been trying to log in. Then copy paste the password. Thank you.